We have also layer 3 routers which can put in our power system to make your node like a layer 3 node. For example, this is like a you have our edge equation series products in order, or you have edge span, whatever. We can put our we can put our CP1800X40 series layer 3 LTE router. You can see that this router is very strong and can provide a layer 3 access and with LTE, and it can build IPsec VPN as main as a backup, and also it can run MPLS VPN, so it can run because it can run pure layer 3 features, so it can work as MPLS CE routers. So it can merge the enterprise access features to this kind of outdoor site, which sometimes is very useful. For example, if you have a customer and want to have access one node of his smart traffic node or his some site with layer 3 MPLS VPN, you can deploy these kind of devices to change your outdoor node become pure layer 3 ready